Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. In today's video, we're going to show you how to master the picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. It's super useful, so let's get right to it. First things first, we need to make sure picture-in-picture is enabled in your iPhone settings. Head over to your Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Next, find and select Picture-in-Picture. Here where it says Start Picture-in-Picture automatically, make sure that toggle is switched on. This is key. Alright, now that's done, we can bounce back to the home screen. You can now use picture-in-picture with apps like Apple TV and FaceTime. Now if you want to use picture-in-picture with YouTube, there's an extra step, and you might need YouTube Premium, depending on your region.
Open the YouTube app.
Tap your channel icon in the bottom right corner, then hit the settings icon in the top right. In the settings menu, go to General. Look for picture-in-picture, and make sure that's toggled on as well.
Okay, we all set. Let's see picture-in-picture in action.
Just start playing a video in any compatible app, Apple TV, FaceTime, or YouTube. For this example, I'm going to use a YouTube video from my other channel Techic, which focuses on Windows tutorials. While the video is playing, just swipe up from the bottom of your screen to go back to the home screen.
Bam!
The video pops into picture-in-picture mode. You can now drag this little video player to any corner of your screen. You can even temporarily hide it by swiping it to the side. Just look for that little notch on the side of your screen to bring it back. Now, depending on the app, the video controls might be embedded in the picture-in-picture window. To get the video back into the app full screen, just tap the picture-in-picture window, and it'll jump right back into YouTube or whichever app you're using. One more tip, if you just want to listen to the video without seeing it in picture-in-picture, simply pause the video before you swipe up to go to the home screen. That way, picture-in-picture won't activate automatically. And that's all there is to it. That's how you use picture-in-picture mode on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more awesome iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.